Hello everyone. Today we are going to do standard 7th, chapter number 7, that is join bar graph. So exercise 3.1 is the only exercise from this lesson. Let's start with that exercise, children. So before also we had done the bar graph, but this time we are going to do a join bar graph. So it is a little bit different, but the procedure is the same for all the graphs. Okay. So first we will draw a y-axis as usual, keeping 1 centimeter distance from both the sides. Okay, so this is my x-axis and this is supposed to be my y-axis. This is the first sum from exercise 3.1. Okay, so after drawing the x-axis and y-axis, the first thing we need to do is put a 0. Okay, write x-axis and a y-axis. Okay, after drawing we should write first x-axis and y-axis. After writing these two things, we need to write the scale according to the question given. Okay, so I'll read the question. The number of the sapling planted by the school on World Tree Day is given in the table below. Draw a join bar graph to show these figures. Okay, so we have to draw a bar graph which is joined, which is very easy. You don't have to worry. So let's start with the first scale. So scale will come over here. Scale on y-axis, that means on this axis, we are going to take 1 centimeter is equal to 10 saplings. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 saplings. So 1 bar will be blank. We will keep this for Nutan Vidyalaya because 2 schools have been given, isn't it? BID Vidyalaya, and the other we will draw stripes for Bharat Vidyalaya. Okay, YALA. Okay, so 2 bars we have to draw. One will be blank and one will be striped. Okay, so first we will do the marking over here. So what we took, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 sapling, isn't it? So this will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Okay, so these are number of saplings. We have to write it, children. Okay, and at the base what we have to write, we have to write the names of the trees that they had planted, both the schools. Okay, both the schools we have to show the bar, and in the below we have to write the name. So first we have to leave 1 centimeter gap and then start from here. Now why I am putting 3 dots? Because 2 bars will be drawn over here, so I am drawing 2 dots over here. So this is for almond tree. You all can refer the textbook. Okay, exercise number 3.1. Okay, now first Nutan Vidyalaya, isn't it? Nutan Vidyalaya we have to keep it blank, and Bharat Vidyalaya we have to draw in a striped manner. So in the question you will see that Nutan Vidyalaya planted 40 saplings. 40 saplings means put a 2 dot over here and draw a bar first for Nutan Vidyalaya, followed by Bharat Vidyalaya. How much did Bharat Vidyalaya planted, children? They planted 42. So 40 is 1 year, and after that you have to count 2 small lines over here which will be in this way. Okay, add 2 dots. After adding the dots, join it. Don't leave the space in between. Okay, that is why we draw 3 dots over here, so that this will come in one straight line, and as we had decided that we need to draw stripes for Bharat Vidyalaya and Nutan Vidyalaya will remain blank. Isn't it? Is it clear to you all? Now after that we have to leave 1 centimeter space. Again draw 3 dots. Okay, is it visible? Yes. Now after 3 dots, what you have to write? The second one is Karanj. Okay, so write Karanj over here. For that, Nutan Vidyalaya planted this plant. How many saplings? 60 saplings. So draw 4 dots over here near 60 and join it. Okay, now this is for Nutan Vidyalaya, and Bharat Vidyalaya planted 38 saplings. Now 30 is over here, 35 is over here, and 38 will come over here. So this is 38. You have to join them. That is why it is said as join bar graph. Okay, so as we had decided, we will keep Bharat Vidyalaya striped. Okay children, why we are drawing stripes for Bharat Vidyalaya? So that all the graphs will be differentiated and we will be able to show that this is Nutan and this is Bharat, this is Nutan and this is Bharat. Okay, for that we had written the scale in order to understand. You can change this, you can keep Nutan Vidyalaya striped and this as blank. Okay, now we will move towards the third one. The third one is Neem, again 1 centimeter gap and then Neem. Okay, put the dots, they are very necessary so that you will not get confused. Now Nutan Vidyalaya planted 72. Where is 70? 70 is over here. 72 saplings, and Bharat Vidyalaya planted how much? 60 saplings. So 1 dot near the 60. Is it clear to you all? I am drawing it together so that at once only we will be able to draw the lines in this way. See. Okay, so when you put a dot, it becomes very easy for you all to only draw the lines. Okay, so this striped one is Bharat Vidyalaya. Okay, so Neem is also done. Next is Ashoka, 1 centimeter gap, Ashok. Okay, so 15 plants. Okay, so 10 is over here, 15 plants will come over here, and 25 will come where? This is 20 and 25. Okay, so 2 dots for 15, 2 dots for 25. Draw the lines. You can do it separately. I am doing it together because I need to save time. You all can do it separately and then draw 1 bar at a time as I showed you before. Okay, or if you all are able to do it together. It becomes very easy to draw the lines only. Okay, don't forget to draw the stripes. Leave 1 centimeter space, then again 3 dots, and over here Gulmohar. This is our last tree. Okay, so Nutan planted 42. 40 is over here and 42 means 1 and 2. So it will come over here. So you all can do it together also, or you all can do it in this way also. Okay, join it. Use a scale, children. Okay, 42 I have drawn for Nutan and 40 for Bharat Vidyalaya. Okay, so 40 will come over here. Draw the stripes. Finish. This bar graph will come for 5 marks, so you have to be very neat and clean while drawing it. Scale is very important. As I showed you, go step by step and then there will be no confusion. Okay, so let's move towards the second bar graph. Second bar graph is, the table shows the number of people who had the different juices at a different bar on a Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so they have given Saturday and Sunday. So names will come over here and numbers will come over here. Okay, on x and y axis. So on x axis, names will come. Draw your x axis. Go in the same pattern as I have shown you. Then there will be no confusion. It is very easy to draw a bar graph and very scoring as well. So y axis I have drawn. I will first write 0. Okay, this is my x axis. This is my y axis. I have placed my 0. After that we have to write the scale. I will take the scale as scale on y axis is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 10 customers. Okay. If you will see, the numbers are in the form of customers. Then they have given 2 days, isn't it? Saturday and Sunday. So Sunday we will keep that striped. You can keep Saturday also. Okay. So Saturday and Sunday we will show it in these two form. So let's start. Again the same rule. First we have to do the marking. We have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 10 customers. So again 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, leave 1 centimeter gap. Draw 3 dots. First write sweet lime. Okay, so sweet lime. First on Saturday 43 customers. 40 is over here. 1, 2 and 3. So 43 will come over here. Draw the first bar. After 43, which number they have said for the sweet lime? That is 59. So 50 is over here. On the same line, children, you have to take 50 is over here. 59 will come over here. So draw it over here. 59. Okay. As we had decided, Sunday will be striped. So draw the stripes over here. Again leave 1 centimeter gap. Draw 3 dots. Next is going to be orange. Go line wise. Don't change the sequence that they have given on the table. Next is 30. So mark 30. After that 65. So 65 is over here. 65. Okay. I'm drawing it together. I'm showing it to you how to draw it. See. If you draw the dot, it becomes very easy. Okay. And then you have to just join them. So this one is the striped one, and this will be blank. Okay, this is Saturday, this is Sunday. Again 1 centimeter gap, 3 dots. This will be apple. Apple is how much? 56, 50, 55, 56. And after that 78. On the same line 70 and 75, 78 will come over here. Okay, once you put the dots, all you have to do is draw the lines. Try it my way. It will be very easy for you all to draw. Okay, now join it. Within 5 minutes, your joint bar graph will be ready if you follow the way I am doing it. Okay. Then we will draw the stripes for Sunday. After that 1 centimeter gap, again 3 dots and then pineapple. Okay. So for pineapple, 40 first, 40, and after 40, 67. 60 in the same line, 60 and 65, 66, 67. So once your dots are there, you all can join the lines in this way. Okay. So it is done. Draw the stripes. So your second question is also done in this way. You will be completing your bar graph with the scale. Okay, now third one is the same, fourth one is the same, fifth one is the same. I will try and show you the sixth one, which is the last question from the exercise 3.1. Okay, only one exercise is there for the joint bar graph, and 5 marks question will be asked for this bar graph. Okay, so first again go step by step. X-axis first. First is x-axis, then y-axis, write their names, x-axis and y-axis. You all can write it over here also, x-axis, and at the top of your y-axis 0, and then the scale on y-axis. How much scale you are going to take on y-axis? As we said, we are going to have only numbers on the y-axis and names on the x-axis, isn't it? So on y-axis we will take 1 centimeter is equal to 10% literate. Okay, so they have given the percentage of the literacy, they have given the percentage of the literacy. You all have to draw it and show it. Okay, so this is, we will keep Maharashtra blank and Gujarat, we will show it in the shaded way. Okay, you all can even shade it in this way, children, any which way you all want. Okay, whatever is preferable for you. So as we took 1 centimeter is equal to 10%, then you have to add 10, 20, 30. If we are taking 1 centimeter is equal to 100, then 100, 200, 300, 400 in this way. Okay, so it depends on the question that they have given and the table that they have showed us. This is 90 and 100. Okay, now let's start with the first table, that is in 1971. 1971 Maharashtra was 46. 40 is over here, 45, 46. Draw it. 46, and Gujarat was 40, so 40 is over here. Join it. Your first join bars are ready. Okay, so as we decided, we will shade it. So shade it, or you all can draw the stripes also. Okay, now leave 1 centimeter gap. Again 3 dots. You all can write it and keep it if it's confusing. Again 1 centimeter dot, 3, then it will come 1991. Again 1 centimeter gap, 3 dots, and then 2001. Again 1 centimeter gap, and the third one is 2011. Okay, so in this way you all can write and keep, then only you all have to draw it any which way which is preferable for you. 57, so 50 is over here, 56, 57 will come over here. After that 45, 40 is over here, 45. Okay, so join it. You can do it together also, children. It is very easy. Just be careful about the points. Okay, when you draw the points, it should be accurately marked. Then shade this. I hope everyone is understanding it. It's very easy. Now after this, the third one is 65 and 61. 65, mark the points for the first bar, and 65 after that 61. So 61 is over here. Okay, so I have drawn my 2 dots. Now I will join it. Okay, So this is completed. Okay, colored. Now the fourth one is 2001, 77 and 69. 77 means 70 is over here, 75, 76, 77. 77 will be over here and 69. So 60 is over here, 65. So 69 will come over here, just below 70. Okay, this is 70. So just below 70 you have to draw it. Now join it in this way. It will be joined. Okay. So this was 69. It will come below and this will come over here. Okay. Draw. Shaded, not draw, shaded. Okay, if you all are having time, you all can shade it properly. You all can draw any design which you all can do it very easily and fast. Now the last one is 83 and 79. So 80 is over here, so 83 will be over here, 83, and 79. 70 is over here, so 79. Okay, I have drawn my two dots. Now I will join it. Join it in this way and draw the stripes in this way. Okay, so it will be clear while seeing it. See, 69 is very, 79 is very clear. So from there you can draw, shade it. So this is how you all have to practice. Children, it is very easy and it will come for 5 marks. If there is any queries, please let me know in the comment section. I have solved 3 sums and 3 of them are in the same pattern. So you all can try it on your own. And while solving, if you all are facing any problem, do let me know. I will make a separate video for you all again. Okay? Take care. Bye.